Hi Frank, this is Josh out at Encore. I just wanted to show you how I restored and repaired and prepared this order for you. This is the with air conditioning, non-defrost heater control panel that you ordered. And I scoured some of my inventory and then started looking at cars in the lot because a lot of times those can be in much better condition. They haven't been rattled in a bucket or even, set down ever in the past. This one was immaculate looking from the get-go. I had one button missing, but I was able to tell that the mounting areas were not, I didn't see even stress cracks, which is very, very rare. But since I saw that the faceplate was really good, the lettering was bright, and the mounting tabs all appear to be there, I pulled it out, got to the back side, and was very satisfied with what I saw. No damage to anything on the back side. I know the housings will crack. These where the vacuum lines mount sometimes will break, or still have a nub there, but just not enough to really use sometimes. But you'll see there's some glare coming from some of the metal parts. What I did is I came in the back side here with a Q-tip on both of these kind of slide areas, and I took the old grease out of the way best I could, because that's really why a lot of these break, is they just get so broke down that the lubricant doesn't lubricate anymore, and it makes it really stiff to move. And I also came in here in these joints with my favorite PB blaster and just put a little lubricant on those areas too. I'm trying to look at what I need to show you and look at what I'm filming for you at the same time. But I painted the sticks black real quick, just with a Q-tip and a spray paint, so you can see that they're not terrible. But the repair that I did was back here, which, if you look at another one or two, here's what it was when I pulled yours out. There's a pin, a plastic pin, just like this. There's a plastic pin that usually sits in the bottom of this switch, and once the pin breaks, that switch is bouncing back and forth on just this piece of plastic here, and it puts a lot of stress on it. So what was going on with yours, here's another example of no pin. This one broke completely out of there. Somebody had maybe, monkeyed with it too much. But yours just had a split started about a 1/4 inch on the one I'm going to send you. So what I did was I took, and of course I had this pin missing, so I had to do something with that. So what I did there was I took a very small drill bit that I heated up and kind of opened that hole up with, so I didn't risk cracking the plastic. And then I took a smaller screw and one little bigger screw and ended up opening up that hole and threading it, as you can see right here. So that's what I've done with yours. This thing, I can hold the whole part by that repair now. And like I said, I came in, I don't know if you'll be able to see, but I did come in the back side and put a little bit of JB weld just right on that tower, because I saw that it had split. But you can see if it's going to handle up this kind of stress, it should be able to be operated like it's supposed to for, I imagine, quite some time. But what else can I show you? Where the light bulbs go, there's no, like sometimes they get overheated and crack and fracture. Those weren't there. No other overheats, no other stress cracks. I showed you the repair. And I'll try my best to show you the function now that I've greased them, but we'll try with one hand here. I mean, that should be, like I said, what commonly breaks them is that they kind of stiffen up. And in my opinion, if you have your heater control cable accessible, try and get that thing out and grease it up or lube it up somehow. But that's temperature. You could see, should have taken a video installed to show you how well it really operated, but there's how easily I'm able to do it with just one finger. And I did also, like I said, I came from the back side and cleaned out the old lubricant that really makes it stiff, and put some rubbing alcohol in there to kind of thin out what's there. But there it is. Everything seems to work. All the knobs, I installed them quite well. I actually got what I think are the correct knobs for the up and down. You've kind of got this recess here for your fingers, and then for the button here, it's kind of more of a square. You can grab it any which way you want. But just wanted to show that to you before I shipped it out, and tell you thank you so much for your business and giving me time to get this out without wringing my neck. And if it's okay with you, I'll be putting this in the mail on my way home this evening. So as soon as you get this, let me know. Thanks again. Talk to you soon.